guys, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I am making a quinoa Mexican throw and go lunch. Super easy, super filling, and I'm trying to get more fiber in my diet, so the quinoa is really gonna lend to that. So I've got some bouillon just boiling over here, waiting for my freeze-dried ingredients. So let me turn this off, bring it over to so you can see it. And all I'm gonna do is just really add my Thrive ingredients. So I've got Thrive quinoa here. This is instant freeze-dried quinoa. So that will just absorb that bouillon in really nicely, and it will, you don't even really need to cook it. It's just gonna come back to life. And so you can just smell it already, how, oh, that smells really good. Just to make it a little flavorful, I'm gonna put in some garlic, and I'll post the recipe on this so you'll have the exact ingredients. I'm just kind of throwing my ingredients in right now, but I've already measured them out. For a little bit of spice and flavor, onions and green chili peppers from Thrive. So we just add that to our water. That's gonna give it a nice little kick. I like a little corn in my Mexican dishes, so we're gonna do some freeze-dried corn and stir that in. The next thing I'm gonna add in is our freeze-dried red bell peppers and green bell peppers. And that's just gonna give it a lot of nutrients, plus it's gonna give it a lot of color and make it really pretty. All right. The next thing I'm gonna add in is the tomatoes. These are freeze-dried tomato dices, and I've added a little tomato powder, give them an extra little bit of flavor there. Throwing that in. And I thought, you know, I need a protein here, so I found a can of black beans that I'm gonna put in here. Now, what I've done is, this is about a cup of black beans. I've drained them and I've washed them, and I'm gonna just throw those into the mix. And so you can see you have a nice quinoa. Look at all those veggies. Such a healthy dish for lunchtime, because you're getting a lot of vegetables in there. And last but not least, this is like some cumin, some salt and pepper, some cilantro. My cilantro is freeze-dried, and that's from Thrive. And I'm just gonna throw that in and mix it in for a really good Mexican flavor. And so it's all in there. Ooh, it smells so, so good. And then I'm just gonna put this back on the stove while it absorbs the rest of the water, and then I'll just toss it with some olive oil, and I will have lunch all ready. Okay guys, I've just finished boiling off the rest of the water there. Bringing it over here. Look at that deliciousness. So yummy. And it smells amazing. I wish you guys could smell this. So I'm gonna drizzle it with a little olive oil and just give it a toss. And what I love about this recipe is I can have it for lunch, I can have it for dinner, I can have it cold, I can have it hot. It's very versatile, and it has really great flavor. So I'm gonna go ahead and dish it up in my bowl here. And there you have it. Yeah, the easy thing about freeze-dried is that I didn't have to wash, chop, any of that to have this amazing meal in 5 minutes. And so Thrive lends to that. It just helps you because we're so busy. And so 2 minutes, you have a quinoa bowl that's so delicious that you can make early in the day and have it for dinner. And we love that about Thrive. And so all the nutrients that is in here with peppers and tomatoes and beans, this is a great way to start off 2020. Eating right and healthy, drinking your rouvie, getting your fruits and vegetables. It's just a great little dish. Thanks guys for watching. We'll see you next time.